Hello everyone, and welcome to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're diving into something really special and a bit unusual. The amazing health benefits of garlic and milk. Yes, you heard it right, garlic and milk. Sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But trust me, this combo is powerful. So, if you're curious to know why you might want to add this mixture to your health routine, stay tuned. Now let's start with why garlic is so amazing on its own. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. People have turned to garlic for everything from boosting immunity to fighting infections. It's loaded with sulfur compounds, vitamins, and antioxidants that are known to support our body in many ways. On its own, garlic is already a health powerhouse, but mixing it with milk takes things to a whole new level. So why milk? Milk is packed with essential nutrients. It's high in calcium, protein, and other important vitamins like B12. Milk is known to promote bone health, improve muscle function, and even support heart health. Combining it with garlic might seem a bit unusual, but there's a reason for it. When we mix garlic with milk, we get a drink that's easier on the stomach and has added health benefits. The milk helps mellow out the strong taste of garlic, making it easier to consume, and it helps our body absorb some of garlic's beneficial compounds better. Benefits of the garlic and milk mixture. Let's talk about the amazing health benefits of drinking garlic and milk together. First up, it can help improve digestion. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties that help keep our gut healthy. When we combine it with milk, it can soothe the stomach and promote better digestion. This combination may even help reduce bloating and gas. If you often have digestive troubles, this drink might be a gentle solution for you. Second, it boosts immunity. Garlic is packed with compounds like allicin that boost the immune system. If you feel like you're coming down with a cold or just want to stay strong through the flu season, garlic can be a great natural ally. With milk as a base, it's even more soothing, especially if you drink it warm. This drink helps your body fight off infections and keeps your immune system in check. Benefits for heart health. Another big benefit of garlic and milk is its effect on heart health. Garlic is known to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. This helps prevent heart-related issues. When combined with milk, garlic's effects are balanced, which makes it gentler on the digestive system while still being effective. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your heart, this drink might be worth considering. Talking about pain relief, did you know that garlic and milk can also help with pain relief? Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce joint pain and even ease arthritis symptoms. The milk acts as a buffer, making it a bit milder on the stomach while still providing those pain-relieving benefits. If you're dealing with body aches, a warm glass of garlic milk could be a natural remedy worth trying. Helps in detoxifying the body. Our bodies are exposed to toxins every day. Garlic helps detoxify the liver and kidneys, which are the organs responsible for filtering out waste. Garlic and milk together create a gentle cleanse that can help flush out these toxins. So, if you're looking for a natural way to detox, this drink can support your body's natural cleansing process. How to make garlic milk. By now, you might be wondering how to actually make this garlic and milk drink. Don't worry, it's super easy. Here's a quick recipe. First, you'll need 1 or 2 cloves of garlic and a cup of milk. Peel the garlic and crush it gently to release the beneficial compounds. Then, add the garlic to the milk and bring it to a gentle simmer on the stove. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will mellow out the garlic flavor and make it easier to drink. Once it's done, strain the garlic out if you prefer, or you can leave it in for extra benefits. Drink it warm for the best effects. It's as simple as that. When to drink garlic milk. Now, you might be wondering, when is the best time to drink garlic milk? A good time to drink this is in the evening, perhaps an hour before bed. It's warm and soothing, which can help you wind down. Plus, it gives your body time to absorb the benefits overnight. You can also have it in the morning if you want an immunity boost to start the day. So, there you have it. The surprising health benefits of garlic and milk. It may sound unusual, but sometimes the best remedies come from simple, natural ingredients. Give it a try and see how it makes you feel. As always, listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and given you something new to try. If you enjoyed learning about this garlic and milk mixture, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Herbalist channel for more natural health tips and remedies. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried garlic and milk? Or do you have any other interesting health tips to share? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.